In this video, I want to talk about wrongful death claims. My name is Bill Karns. I'm co-founder of Karns And Karns, a personal injury law firm. We've handled hundreds of wrongful death claims over the years. Look, when you lose a loved one and somebody else caused that, it can be a real traumatic, emotional, awful thing for the family. It not only affects obviously the victim, but it affects everyone around the victim. And you need lawyers that understand the grieving process, but also understand what needs to be done given the particular case. People often think, look, I don't want to hire a lawyer right now after my husband died or my child died or my dad died. I want to hold off on that. And we get that. A lot of times, certain things need to be done on a wrongful death claim right away to protect your rights so you can maximize recovery for your loss. And even if you hire a lawyer and you say, hey, can you just sit back and give me some time? That lawyer should do that and work behind the scenes to make sure that your case is protected. That could be like evidence preservation, like getting black box data from a car if a loved one was in a car crash. It could be making sure that photos and other documents are obtained before anything is destroyed, obtaining traffic collision reports, highway patrol reports, things like that to gather all the evidence. And this can be done during the grieving process without even any contact from the lawyer. So I think it's really important if there is an unfortunate loss in the family, lawyers are contacted right away. And that doesn't mean that lawsuits have to be filed away. We can certainly respect the grieving process, but we have to make sure that we protect any and all evidence out there so we can maximize value on your claim. So after a loss in the family, a lot of people are wondering, what should I do? What should I do? What should I do? Well, look, don't change your grieving process if you are anticipating a lawsuit. Be with your family. Take care of your family. Grieve with your family. Let the lawyer work behind the scenes to protect you. You don't even really need to communicate with them. The lawyer will be working behind the scenes, making sure that your case is protected. And when you're ready, and you're ready to hold that defendant accountable and responsible for what they did, then the ball gets rolling on a wrongful death lawsuit. So then that begs the question, well, what do I need to do during a wrongful death lawsuit? And the answer is not much. Let the lawyer handle that. Cooperate with the lawyer to make sure that we get as much information as possible about the decedent, whoever is passed, and the family, and what they meant and brought to the family. And I don't mean just financially, but I mean emotionally as well. The emotional support brought by a family member is key in a wrongful death suit. It's not just about the financial loss. It's about the love, compassion, affection, society that is lost as a result of the death. And that's affected by the whole family. If you're looking to have a wrongful death suit, you gotta make sure that you have a lawyer that understands the ins and outs of wrongful death cases and understands the grieving process of the family and respects it while still making sure that the case is protected so maximum value can be achieved. If you got further questions on wrongful death cases, contact Karns and Karns. We're here for you. Let the brothers fight for you.